This is Pioneer's DEH-S5200BT. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM and CD receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The DEH-S5200BT is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the DEH-S5200BT features a 31-band EQ. The DEH-S5200BT is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, let's pop this box open here. And the first thing we get is the wire harness. So this is the electrical wire harness that we'll use to connect all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. Those connections are typically power and ground and speaker connections and so forth, all right through here. Next up, we have some install screws and some 1-DIN radio removal tools. So a bag of tools there. And next up, we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. So let's open the flap here, and we'll pull up the Quick Start Guide. Okay, there's the Quick Start Guide, and please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right to your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. And also, we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. All right, so let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the DEH-S5200BT has a large rotary volume knob here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite compatible nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The CD slot is across the top. Radio station presets are here across the bottom. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. The system features multicolor illumination. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the DEH-S5200BT, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The electrical wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The DEH-S5200BT has a built-in amplifier that is designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 3 sets of 2-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They are set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S5200BT. And what's in the box?